Okay, quick video of the topic that a lot of students get mixed up on. Well, actually, it's fairly straightforward, but you've got to remember these two words: frequency, polygon. The question looks very, very similar to maybe a cumulative frequency or mean from a frequency table. If it's a cumulative frequency, it might have another column there. If it was mean from a frequency table, I wouldn't have a graph underneath. Okay, so that's kind of a little clue. But the best one is, read your question. What is a frequency polygon? So it's a type of graph, and it's a line graph. So most people might just see this, draw a nice bar chart. Well, it's similar to that, but actually we're going to use lines. So the first group goes from 0 to 10, and it's 20 high. So it's definitely 20 high. So where do I plot it? And the key is, I plot it halfway at the 5. So you actually plot your midpoints, and that will give you your full 2 marks. 10 to 20 is 12, 20 to 30 is 10, 30 to 40. I'm going to plot that halfway between the two. 35, I'm going to go up 8. 40 to 50 is 6, I'm going to plot that at 45, and 50 to 60 is 0, so that's in the middle. And then you join them up with a straight line, and that is 2 marks for a frequency polygon. We followed this question up with write down a modal class interval. People go, oh, what's one of those? Well, if you think of a word that's very similar to modal, and that's mode. The mode is most common. Which do you have the most of? If you look at the table at the start, that's the biggest number. So I've got more branches between 0 and 10 centimeters than anywhere else. So my answer is 0. I'll just copy out that class from the start. So this question could be on higher tier, could be on foundation tier. It's 3 marks. It's not difficult mathematics, but you've got to know the word modal. Remember, that sounds like mode. Frequency polygon. Think of a polygon as straight lines, shaped with straight lines, but you're going to have to remember, plot the midpoints for your full 2 marks. Good luck.